Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, if you're tuned in, I went ahead and made a vegan chili cheese dog. All right, yes, you heard it here, a vegan chili cheese dog. Don't sleep if you haven't tried it. So let's taste it, let's see how it is. Oh, this is good. This is real good. I'm making a mess. Let me see. This is really, really good. You guys, you have to try it.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
This is like a vegan's cheat meal. All right. So you guys know how you have your unhealthy foods. This is vegan's unhealthy food. You know, they say sometimes vegans are not always healthy. This is what they mean by eating this type of stuff. I do eat healthy stuff too, but this is my cheat meal. It's the weekend. Hello. This is really, really good. Oh my gosh. I know I keep saying that, but I'm serious. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. I ain't gonna lie, those little bit of red pepper flakes that I sprinkled on the top, it gave it a kick. But woo. Listen, for more recipes, guys, I'm gonna be adding so many different recipes. Make sure you tune in, all right? Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like, hit that smash button, turn on your post notifications, and follow me also on social media. Instagram, It Ain't Soul Food, or Say It Ain't So. Catch you guys later. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. If it ain't soul food, it ain't what? It ain't soul's food.